had to be the best to stand up to my test. You know me, Booker T. Had a dream
Can you be louder?
to see my team succeed. You know we had to speed to the end. I hope all y'all intend to comprehend why I had to pretend. My plan wasn't a demand to learn how to read and write just like a man. Catch me if you can. Out of nowhere, I made a plan to have my fans. I'm the best man because I'm black and tan. My rhymes are so strong that they can move bands to Japan. I wanted an education to make me the best. I finally passed my test. I hope you are impressed. You shouldn't be surprised because of my success, and you just got finessed. My name is Austin Scott, and I know a lot. You can't hate on my rhymes because they're too hot. Hating on my rhymes is a long shot. I plotted something you cannot spot. I put a lot of thought into what I taught.
Woo!